Hey everyone! Imagine you're driving and suddenly your transmission starts acting strange. Delayed shifts, slipping, or even getting stuck in one gear. You plug in an OBD-II scanner and the code P0974 pops up. This trouble code is related to the pressure control solenoid C circuit high voltage, which means your transmission isn't getting the correct pressure, leading to serious shifting issues. In this video, I'll explain what P0974 means, where the sensors are located, and how to fix it. Stay tuned. What is DTC P0974? DTC P0974 stands for Pressure Control Solenoid C Control Circuit High Voltage. Your car's transmission control module, TCM, sends signals to the pressure control solenoid C to regulate fluid pressure inside the transmission. When the voltage in this circuit is higher than expected, the solenoid may fail to operate properly, leading to harsh shifts, slipping, or transmission overheating. Common symptoms of P0974. If you have this error code, you might notice harsh or delayed gear shifts, transmission slipping, RPM increases but speed doesn't. Vehicle stuck in limp mode, only certain gears work. Check engine light or transmission warning light. Poor fuel economy sensor and component locations, very important. To diagnose P0974, focus on these key components. Pressure control solenoid C location. Found inside the transmission valve body, mounted on the transmission pan. Function: controls fluid pressure for proper shifting. Transmission control module, TCM, location, usually mounted under the dashboard near the battery or attached to the transmission case. Function: sends voltage signals to the pressure control solenoids. Transmission fluid pressure sensor location, mounted on the transmission case near the fluid lines. Function: measures fluid pressure and reports it to the TCM. Wiring and connectors for the solenoid circuit location, runs between the TCM and the solenoid inside the transmission. Function: transfers electrical signals for pressure control. What causes P0974? The most common causes include 1. Faulty pressure control solenoid C. Stuck solenoid can cause high voltage. 2. Short circuit or damaged wiring. Frayed wires or poor connections lead to excessive voltage. 3. Defective transmission control module, TCM, sends incorrect voltage. 4. Dirty or contaminated transmission fluid, affects solenoid performance. 5. Bad ground connection or power supply issue, can cause electrical malfunctions. How to fix P0974. Follow these steps to troubleshoot and fix the issue. Step 1. Check transmission fluid. If fluid is low, dirty, or burnt, replace it with the correct ATF, automatic transmission fluid. Step 2. Inspect wiring and connectors. Look for damaged, loose, or corroded wires. Repair or replace broken connections. Step 3. Test the pressure control solenoid, C. Open the transmission pan to access the solenoids. Use a multimeter to check solenoid resistance, should be between 3–10 ohms. If resistance is too high, replace the solenoid. Step 4. Check the TCM, transmission control module. Measure voltage output from the TCM to the solenoid. If voltage is too high, a software update or replacement may be needed. Step 5. Clear the code and test drive. After repairs, erase the P0974 code with an OBD-II scanner. Drive for 10–15 miles to confirm the fix. Final words. If your car has P0974, it means the pressure control solenoid C circuit is receiving too much voltage, leading to shifting problems and possible transmission damage. Fix it early to avoid expensive repairs. For more troubleshooting, check out these videos. P0815, upshift switch, circuit malfunction. P0816, downshift switch, circuit malfunction. This is IG Garage, your go-to channel for car repairs. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.